Hi, this is Michelle from Undemandly, and today we're taking a look at promo codes for Google Fi. Google Fi is a cell phone carrier that uses cellular coverage from popular carriers such as T-Mobile, Sprint, and US Cellular. One thing I really like about it is their new user offer, which gives you $20 off your first bill. Today, we're going to give you a brief overview of how to sign up and redeem the promo code. If you're in a rush, you can enter this promo code in the final step of the sign-up process. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. First, go ahead and choose your phone plan. Next, choose your phone. You can either bring in your current phone or purchase a new phone. Now enter your address and set up your phone number. You can port in your current phone number here or choose a brand new number. Next, enter your payment details. Now enter the promo code and join Google Fi. Okay, that wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.